So early nutrition, is it critical for the development of the autistic children?
S- early nutrition, is it important? What did you say?
Yeah, is it critical? Like, is it very important for the development of the autistic?
But nutrition is important for anybody. Like if you just think that in the UK or any Western country, how long we get the sun? Yeah,
Yeah.
we don't get the sun. So
No.
how can you get good immunity if you're lacking of vitamin D? And there's one of the master like vitamin D. We call it supplements. Even in some countries, they call it a hormone. Means it's so important
Okay.
in every single metabolism in your body. Say 90% metabolism in our body, we need vitamin D, and it's lacking in the UK. It's lacking in the USA. It's some part. So if you're not giving any nutrition, any supplements, extra things in your body to get more vitamin D somehow, because you're not getting it from the nature. You're not getting it from the nature means it doesn't come from the nature. It doesn't come from the sun, but sunlight helps vitamin D to activate in your body.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
to the skin.
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
So if that is missing, yeah, then what you have to do, you have to have it somehow. So you get to have it from the food. Again, if the sunlight is missing, then also our nature is not producing that kind of, you know, how do I say, quality food, which if we eat and it can convert our vitamin, it can convert our vitamin D in the, body and
Yeah.
activate it, because
Yeah.
this is also missing in the nature. So sometimes, like I'm just, as you say, that is it important to do
Yes.
early intervention? 100% doesn't matter. Children are with autism or special need or not. Certain nutrition, we have to do it for children,
Yeah.
and for us as well to remain healthy. So I just give you an example of vitamin D. It's a very like significant one. We all know about it, and we know
Yeah.
that how you'd feel during the it's like it's 6 months cold winter. You are not and it's you are not storing anything in your body. You need this every single time in your body, and you are not having it. So unless you put it somehow, um, your bone health will go, your immunity system will crack, and then a lot of functional, like your thyroid is related to your thyroid, and also every single nutrition is related with this, as I said, with the metabolic pathways. And if you're not having it on your plate or swallowing through the supplements, certain supplements you have to take certain time of the year, then we cannot have a healthy body. So, and it's okay, like when you go to doctor, the people get iron deficiency, doctor give them supplements and people are
Yeah.
okay to take that. But some more people think that, oh, okay, it's a doctor things, but actually it's a nutrition thing.
Mm.
You can still supplement as well. And it's very rare that people have this fear, phobia, oh, we're gonna overload with this nutrition. It is rare, it's very impossible, the much nutrition are in a bottle. If you take
Yeah.
one a day, you're gonna be overloaded. It's not possible until you finish the whole bottle every day.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That kind of, if you do that kind of severe thing, then you can be overloaded. Either no need to be scared. It's better for children and it's better for you.